Take a walk down to the City of Vineyards and welcome to Guilden Village Student Accommodation. Located in the heart of Guildford, Guilden Village offers a selection of ensuite and studio apartments, where studio comes with a snug double bed, dedicated study area, and ample storage space. Opt for the ensuite for a private bathroom with a shared kitchen. Need a quiet spot to hit the books? The property has got private study rooms on-site to help you focus without distractions. Or unwind on a lazy Sunday on the scenic roof terrace, garden, courtyard, and games room. Plus, you will also find an on-site gym available, so you can grab your gym towel and engage in a workout session. A short drive away from the University of Surrey and the University for Creative Arts, Guilden Village is surrounded by fantastic eateries like Park Room Restaurant and the thrilling Guildford Skate Park. In addition, the property is also seamlessly connected to a network of bus and train stations like Woodbridge Retail Park Bus Stop and London Road train station. So raise your glasses and toast to your UK dream at Guilden Village Student Accommodation. Head over at amberstudent.com and book your